Alright, video will check everybody. This is our day 2 in Thailand. At going na sa kabilang hotel, Best Western Hotel dito na sa may Bangkok din. To meet the Philippine Volcanoes, our Philippine team for the Philippine Rugby. At we're going to do a headshot photography session with them. Actually kasi ang ano ko lang dito, I'm here in Thailand for a sports photography shoot ng Axios ng kanilang competition this July 12 sa isang stadium na 2 hours away dito. So good luck na lang sa amin, no? So yun, we're going to meet them later at check it out show. Photoshoot tayo with the men's Philippine Rugby team, yung Philippine Volcanoes na defending champion pala. Ito sa Union o Unison Cup tournament. Kasama niya mga iba't ibang countries na rin din. So yun, dito in Thailand, here in our comfy containers hotel na 5 Chang Palace. Alright.
They are fun. Yeah, you don't mess around. You let that guy go.
Mag-event na muna, 1FC. Good, so I already found our spot for studio photo shoot. Dito tayo sa elevator lobby. Kaya kasi walang studio sa restaurant, medyo very public here. The entire floor is occupied by the Philippine Volcanoes team. So yun, ito tayo sa corner na yan. Ayan, si Aaron na yung ating stand-in model for in Thailand. Model in Thailand. And ito na. Hello, Thailand. Oh. Sana tayo. Imus. Imus na, Imus. So, tricycle na. Over here. Oh my God. Ang tarik nung stairs nila, grabe. Ay, yung ganda ng backpack ni Aaron, no? Nakso. Media team. Lakas makaporma. Oo. Ito na. Lotus Mall Imus.
This is a mall?
Yeah, it's a mall. I thought it was like a warehouse. Oh my God, check it out, yo. We're inside Lotus Mall. Ano to? Like a durian. Durian. Oh my God, it smells so good. Dito, pakita natin yung picture. Ayan, ayan. Wala kayong may gusto dito? Alright, first time umorder sa Thailand. Sa fast food nila. Ayan. We're using this cash card. Food card. Yan. Nag-reload ng 500. And yun ang payment system nila dito. I think ito yun no? Tapos, pwede mo siyang hindi, mamaya na pag sinabing baka mag-key-in pa eh. Tapos pwede mo siyang i-withdraw yung sukle later on. Oh, yeah. Can return it. Parang reusable nila to eh. And there's our rice. And we got this stir-fried rice with minced chicken. And there's our food.
Yeah, I think just you can see the photos on the top there. I think that one is good.
Alright.
Yeah.
Wow. Solid. I'm going to use this card. Wow. Thank you, thank you. Here I'm going to use it. Tap it here. Tap here. 134. Good. All right. Thank you. All right. Thank you for the sponsors. So, napansin ko hello Sile. Oh my God. Everything is chilly. And here's the pad thai.
That's a new way of cooking. I've never
Hey,
seen.
you got the milk tea! Thai milk tea! Oh, Thai iced tea.
I've never seen pad thai cooked with egg over easy. It's only just the noodles and the peanuts.
Yeah, actually. Yeah. First bite in Thailand.
Even that small guy from the Brazil shop.
Here we go. Good luck to me. Tumanghang.
That's funny. I think they're not all on the same team too, no?
Yeah. Maybe they're just all friends, but
Oh my God.
they may know
Game
each other.
time.
Oh my God, maanghang.
I'm gonna hit you.
Maanghang.
Spicy. Sour.
I'm turning red na raw.
No, but I cooked that.
Kailangan ko mag Thai tea dahil maanghang. Recovery. Thai tea. Ah, two. Ikaw ba? Here we go, finally. Recovery drink after the chili. Yan kasi. Oh, si Aaron din.
I have rice now. Kaya hindi na nakita.
Sarap. Refreshing. Bakit?
Ito, sabi ko pa sa kanya, uy, alam mo.
So ito yung chicken, stir-fried chicken mili na not spicy. Virgin. Oh. Finally, rice. Sabi ko na magra-rice ka eh.
Isn't this spicy?
I see mochi here. Daming mochi sa Thailand. Oh my God, ang sarap ng mochi nila. Ito yung ating light boy and the fan boy. The fan. Nice, go Dogs. Nawawala yung
Oh yeah. A little, yeah.
It's 30 all running.
Yeah, we're doing drills
Yeah,
for the whole 30 minutes.
yeah.
So we don't stop.
Tapos sila content creators. Mag-offer na sila. Graduation pic.
Wait, what's going on?
interview mo ba? Akala ko mag-TikTok interview ka. So behind the scenes.
But later, I'll pass it there.
Sinangag or plain rice?
Okay.
Consider plain rice?
No, sinangag or plain rice.
Plain rice every time.
Oh.
Ay, sabi ni Mami, smile, ha? Ay, sabi ni Mami, smile, ha?
Laban Pilipinas!
Magkano po?
Ay, Jola!
Okay, one, sir. Other one? One, sir.
Just finished shooting 36 Philippine rugby players. Done headshots, 5 poses, 36 players. This is much more different than shooting a beauty pageant. Finally, it's a change of subject. Philippine male rugby team.
On set!
Shooting.
Action!
Okay, fast talk, sad or tasty.
Say one next.
Try mo yung ano ng twister natin.
Adobo.
Dinuguan or laing?
Tiniguan. Lain. Oh, Lain, because I'm from Bicol.
You.
Oh, represent.
Represent.
Sili capital.
Chili. Oragon ako.
Wow, Rago.
You finish each other.
Sama din.
What else?
Yun nga eh. Try that lang twister.
See, serious question.
What is 9,444
How many
divided by...
islands do we have in Philippines?
It's a privilege just to put on this jersey every year, represent the Philippines. It's a privilege to just do one better every year. That sport.
Thank you.
You know I was gonna.
Okay. Okay. Malcolm Mostolas, 38, and Muntinlupa City.
Basta, first day of shoot. Going to 7-Eleven to buy some supplies. Wala na kaming kape, tama-tama. At ako ng food stand dito. Eh, mga ganyang Aaron, okay yan eh, no? Yung mga ganyang kainan. Uy, parang barbecue. Oh, grilled pork. Pero okay yung mga ganyan. 7-Eleven, 37 baht itong spinach triple cheese sandwich. Ito yung sa ano, pre sa LU. Ganito, sa ano, yung sikat na cafe doon. Ito, this is 39 baht. Okay na to, dinner na natin to, 39 baht. Ito, parang ito yung napanood ko sa BL na TV series kagabi. Puro yung mga picture ng mga artista. It's 236. Okay. We're back no. Nakita ko yung shrine na yan no, sa likod ko. Di ba ano yung shrine na yan? No? Google natin yan mga. Nabili na kami ng food sa 7-Eleven. At di na kami lalabas ng hotel kasi kailangan namin pahinga. Need to upload some files and then tomorrow practice day kami with the Philippine Volcanoes team, Philippine Rugby team. Ano tayo mag-shoot ng action shots nila. So sana wag umulan. So ayan, balik kami sa Best Western para dito ang grab namin. Chill muna kami ngayong araw.
Okay, mga to.
Sige.
Ganyan.
Parang katsudon, no?
Di ba?
Hindi naman siya maanghang.
Hindi naman. Amoy laing.
Parang amoy gulay.
Amoy laing nga.
Ito parang century egg. Ano to?
Ito.
Yan ang maanghang.
Yan,
Oo,
sa
talaga seryoso. Kanina nga, hindi ko kinaya eh.
gilid. Sa gilid lang.
Shucks,
Man lang
grabe. Oh my God.
Uy, naamoy ko manghang nga.
Ako, yari ka dyan. Okay, my food. Chicken. Stir-fried chicken, white rice. Tikman natin to. Oh, masarap. Ayan. Chamba na naman tayo, hindi siya maanghang. Ang sarap. With basil. Ayan.